In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Wise as a payment method to Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, look to the lower left area of the screen and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the main account and store management options, including billing and payment details for your subscription and account charges. From the Settings menu, go to Billing. In this section, you will be able to view your current billing setup and manage the payment methods connected to your Shopify account. Depending on your account layout, you may see an option called Billing Profile, or you may be able to scroll directly to the Payment Methods section. Either way, you are looking for the area where Shopify lets you add or update the card used for charges. Once you find that section, click Add Payment Method. This will open the form where you can enter the details for the card you want to use. Here, enter your Wise Business debit card information carefully. Make sure the card number, expiration date, security code, and any required billing details are entered exactly as shown on your card and billing records. Taking a moment to double-check this information can help prevent errors or failed verification. After you have filled everything in, click Save. Shopify will then store this payment method on your account. If the card is accepted successfully, you should see it appear in your list of available payment methods. At this point, the final thing you need to do is set that Wise card as your primary payment method. This is important because your primary method is the one Shopify will use first for billing charges, subscriptions, and any other account-related payments. To do that, look for the option next to the newly added payment method that lets you make it the primary one and select it. Once that update is applied, your Wise Business debit card will be the main payment method for your Shopify store. If Shopify does not accept the card right away, review the card details and billing information for accuracy before trying again. In many cases, small entry mistakes are the reason a payment method does not save properly. That covers everything you need to know.